guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to talk about Cashrain.com fixes YouTube Connect to profile issue. Yeah, as many of you might not know, Cashrain is a website that provides airdrops in the form of Bitcoin Cash to its users, and I have made a detailed video about introducing Cashrain. Link is in the description box. Watch it if you don't know about Cashrain. So guys, thing is that if I go to my Cashrain profile, this is my Cashrain profile. You can see that they have introduced Telegram, but that is not important. The most important thing is that there you couldn't connect your YouTube channel to Cashrain profile, and the reason was that Google was reviewing this. They thought that Cashrain is a spam website. However, after a very long delay and a very long review process from Google, now you can connect your YouTube account to your Cashrain profile. As you can see, I have already connected my YouTube account to Cashrain profile. And one more thing is, my friends, is that if I go to my community, there is a bad news. And the bad news is that if I go to my community and I click create a active Cashrain for my community, so if I these are the options that Cashrain give me for creating a Cashrain community. The options to promote, so I can promote a tweet. I can promote a tweet doing a Cashrain. I can promote my Discord server via Cashrain, and I can promote a Telegram invite to into my Cashrain. However, this promotion update for YouTube. This is very bad news, and I think Cashrain is working on this update. It would be a great update because the crypto community, if you have a cryptocurrency related YouTube channel and you promote your YouTube channel using Cashrain, so people will subscribe to your YouTube channel obviously and press the bell notification button. So obviously you are willing to spend some money. I won't suggest to spend lots and lots of money. I spent $0.01 worth Bitcoin cash, and I increased the users to 100, perhaps 200 maybe. Maximum receivers 3. So I just um, put the 3 number, and the thing is that I have to increase the number. So that is something entirely else, and this is the bad news. The good news, however, that Cashrain has included YouTube to connect your profile. This is very important, my friends. And wait a minute, this is the Discord server, which I don't want to go to, my friends. I want to go to give feedback. Maybe we go to give feedback, and here I'll just increase the font size. I'll just go to Control F, YouTube. Look at this, YouTube Cashrain for starting YouTube video subscribers. They are working on it. Cashrain for liking and sharing YouTube video and subscribing. They are working on this, my friends. So this is very good news, my friends. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it, my friends. I'll upvote it. Give feedback. Important, critical. I would love to get this as a Cashrain for my Cashrain community to boost my YouTube channel. Now, this is very important, my friends, especially if you have a cryptocurrency community, my friends. A cryptocurrency community. This is very important. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. Thanks for watching.